In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop auto reply in Gmail. If you recently turned on Gmail's vacation responder and messages are still going out automatically, don't worry. We'll turn that off in just a minute. Auto reply sends a pre written message to anyone who emails you during a set time range, which is helpful when you're away but confusing once you're back. Turning it off stops those automatic responses right away, so people get your real replies instead of the vacation notice. Start by opening a web browser on your computer and going to the Gmail website. Sign into your account as you normally would. Once you're in, you should land in your inbox, which is where you manage your messages. Next, look to the top right corner of the Gmail window. You'll see a small gear icon labeled Settings. Click that to open the Quick Settings panel. From that panel, choose See All Settings. This opens the full settings page where Gmail keeps the controls we need. You'll arrive on the General tab by default, and that's exactly where auto reply lives. There's no need to switch tabs. Scroll down the General Settings page until you find the section called Vacation Responder. If you don't spot it at first, keep scrolling. It's typically near the bottom of the General tab. Vacation Responder is Gmail's term for auto reply. If it's currently on, you'll see the start and end dates you set, along with the message that's being sent automatically. This is a good moment to double check what's live, especially if people are still getting replies you don't want them to receive. To stop the auto replies, select Vacation Responder off. This tells Gmail to stop sending automatic responses from your account. Think of this as flipping the master switch that controls the feature. Your existing auto reply message won't be deleted. It will be there if you decide to turn the feature back on later. Before you leave the page, make sure to scroll to the very bottom and click Save Changes. This step is essential. If you close the tab or navigate away without saving, Gmail will keep using your existing auto reply settings, and the automatic messages will continue. After you save, you may see a brief confirmation at the top of the page letting you know the changes were applied, and the change takes effect immediately. No refresh required. That's all it takes. Your Gmail auto reply is now disabled. If you ever need it again, say you're heading out of the office, you can come back to the same vacation responder section, turn it back on, set your dates and message, and save. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you take back control of your inbox.